We are going to be doing a review of the Hoover SmartWash. Sorry, I'm doing a voiceover. It's kind of hard to do a video with machine running. This is the first time I'm using it. You can see all the stains on the carpet here. This carpet has been cleaned 2 days in a row with the Hoover Pet Elite or whatever that is that I've done a review on my channel. Both times the water came out brown to black, and those marks are from feet. Those are from dirt on the feet, dirt on the shoes, walking in and out of the room. So we've got this carpet cleaner. First time using it. Just bought it at Costco on sale. It sat in the house for a couple months, and we're going to test it out. It has a feature, unlike the other carpet cleaner I had, a state of the end. This is a fascinating video. Unlike the other cleaner that I use, this one, when you go forward, the wash button comes on. When you go backward, the dry button comes on. This machine has an incredible amount of suction. I was very surprised, extremely surprised with how much suction this has got. So I used Folex on the carpet for a pre-treatment, and I'm using Folex in the machine for the cleaner. Pre-treatment was sprayed on there out of the bottle, stayed on there for a couple minutes. We got a dry button over there. From what I understand from using the thing, when you press the dry button, no solution comes out, no water comes out. It's just a suction machine. So it's a lot easier than the other machine, the other Hoover that I used. Got this thing plugged in now, and I'm going to power this thing up. We've got the power switch on the left. It's the red button, and then we've got the little handle releases on the right. So it's got a very long cord. I am extremely surprised with how good this cleaner is. I'm shocked. And if you could hear my voice while I'm recording instead of the voiceover, you could see right as I go through the first pass. So I'm doing the first pass now. As you go forward, see on the blue light on the bottom left, it says wash. And normally when I do my carpet cleaning videos, I go really fast, and people tell me that I'm a fool because I'm going too fast and it's never going to clean. And my feeling is, this is my video. I do what I want. And if I want to go fast, I'll go fast. And if I want to walk slow, I'll go slow. But in this video, I'm going at a really slow. Okay, see the light that just light on the left went to green? That's dry. Now, as I go over the first pass, I'm looking at this thing and I'm going, what? Are you kidding me? I know I'm not over at the stains yet on the right side, but I cannot believe, you can even see the stains on the left where the bathroom is. So it's just a really... This carpet's probably 25 years old, hasn't been professionally cleaned in at least 8 years or longer. I've used my Abyssal machine on it, which I threw out because I thought it was junk, and then I bought the Hoover Pet Elite or whatever that thing is, and I thought that was the greatest machine. And now I'm using this machine, and I'm going, wow. So I'm doing the forward wash, and as I go back, if you could hear the original audio, I'm going, are you kidding me? Look at this thing. This dirt is coming up. And you're going to see the amount of dirt that I put into the toilet when I clean this, the reservoir out. And then I go into the bedroom and I do another area that I cleaned the last 2 days in a row with the Hoover Elite. And I'm absolutely shocked at how good this machine is. So you can see on the left now, it's just remarkable. Now, I'm not saying this is a miracle machine. My plan is on Amazon Prime Day, I'm going to go and if they put the Bissell Green machine on sale, I'll probably buy it to make my viewers happy. There haven't been any recent big green machine videos posted on Amazon in a long time. This thing is remarkable. Now, I know professional people, the whole idea of cleaning is you put on a pre-treatment. That's the thing that cleans the carpet. The top machines, they've got the heat, which these things don't, and they've got the suction. And once you break up the dirt, that's the whole thing. Once you break up the dirt and dissolve it with a good pre-treatment and good cleaner, all you're doing is sucking out the dirt. So if you don't have a good suction on your machine, the dirt's going to just drip down into the fibers and it's going to stay there. It's never coming out, and the carpet looks filthy. So you need a machine that has good suction, and you need a good pre-treatment. The problem is a lot of people use soap, and when you use soap on a carpet, dirt is attracted to soap, the carpet's going to get dirty really fast. I am using Folex, which does not attract dirt. And many times I also use just straight vinegar. Vinegar is a great cleaner. It doesn't attract dirt. It clean. Look at this. Look right now. I'm just shocked as I'm watching, as I'm doing this, going, where is the dirt? Now, forward over there, yeah, I'm going back and forth, but I'm not worried about putting like a Bissell or Rug Doctor soap on there that's going to cause me more problems in a couple months. But look at how much dirt is coming out. I keep going back and forth over this. This section of carpet has been a problem for years, with somebody getting on the floor and using a scrub brush and trying to break this dirt up. The problem is, look at the dirt. Look at all that water. It's brown. It's filthy. And that's just this tiny little area that's about a foot wide by, what, 5 feet long or something? And it looks like a whole different carpet. Now, it looks really dirty over there, but that's just the carpet fibers. They're, can I say moist and wet? The carpet fibers are moist and wet. And so you just see it right now, how it lays down a different track as the suction goes on the carpet. So we've got moist and wet and suction in this machine. And it's just absolutely incredible. So I'm trying to go over in a different direction. I know some people say go in different directions. I should have gone to the left, but the house that I was doing this in this was just a test. The house was about 77, 78 degrees, and it's kind of at the beginning of summer now. And I just said, there's no way I can do the whole place. The air conditioning's not on. And now I press the dry button. This is my first test with the dry button, and that's when I discover you do not need to disconnect the soap reservoir, the little soapy thing on the top. You don't have to worry about this thing pouring out water. The nice thing about the Hoover Elite is you could put water on this thing. You could do a rinse. You could pour water on and then suck it up. And you could also do that if you removed the soap dispenser and just kept it running. You would be putting hot water on there, clear water, clean water, and then you could go in there and do the dry, and that would also suck up a lot of the dirt. So maybe that's something to try for next time. This is strictly sucking up the water that was on there and the solution, but it might be a smart thing to, instead of pressing the dry, just to keep the just take off the soap dispenser and allow water to go on there and then suck it back up. There's probably a lot more dirt in the carpet fibers because, again, this is not a professional machine and it doesn't have the amount of suction. But overall, look at this carpet. Absolutely incredible. Now I'm trying to work by the doorway where the green is, and there's a lot of dirt in there still. But this is 3 times in 3 days. Let's see what we're going to get. Please, no comment about looking in the toilet with the water ring. And here we go. I'm trying to figure out how to open this thing up and pour the water in. Look at that. This is 3 days in a row of cleaning, and that's what came out on the 3rd day. But this machine is a mitzvot tov. Unbelievable how good this machine is. I'm thinking, had I done this 3 days in a row with the same cleaner and the same carpet cleaner, would I have the same problem? So now we're in the bedroom. We're looking at the dirt entering the bathroom of foot marks again, the exact same thing, and then you'll see the marks right next to the bed. So you get out of the bed, and there's a purse. No, this isn't my house. I don't have a purse. That's dirt coming off the feet. Even though they say, no, it's from shoes. That's dirt because nobody wears shoes by the bed. So this thing has been cleaned 2 days in a row with the Hoover Elite Pet or whatever the heck it is, which I think is a great machine. There's no doubt about it. It's a good machine. But I'm looking at this thing right now saying, what in the heck is going on here? We got to get this thing cleaned. I cleaned it, and then I thought, yeah, let me go and pre-treat it again, but this time I want to do some 409. I want to put 409 in there, which I'm going to do later on in this video, which is almost over. I go in there and spray it, pre-treat it with 409. and it makes a big difference. It makes a huge difference. I take the 409, I put it on there, I use the scrub brush to try to break up the dirt a little bit, and then, look at this, it's unbelievable. I'm shocked at how good this is. See that little white spot that we just passed by? That's where the dog had a little bit of poofus. I made a video where I cleaned with some, what the heck, the OxyClean, and I don't even know that you'd need that with a machine like this. This machine is remarkable. An enormous amount of dirt. Please do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, donation link in the video description, affiliate links in the video description. Let's make this video viral. Make this viral. People post videos like this and get 1 million views. I post a video like this and 5 people say, you don't know how to use the machine. What's going to come into the toilet? Let's pour out this container. Thanks for watching my video. Let's look. Oh, that toilet needs to be cleaned a little bit. Let's pour the container in there. Remember, 3 days in a row. This is the 3rd day cleaning that same area, and the water is filthy. So I hope this video helped you a lot. I recommend this machine. I got it on sale from Costco. Unbelievable. You can also buy it from Amazon. Watch for it on sale. Watch for the Prime days. Yeah, I would totally buy this machine again. I'm kind of sad that my Hoover is not as good as I thought it was, the Elite, but this is a good machine. So thanks for watching again, people. Flush down the drain, and this video is over.